Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and I had a question for you. Do you love or do you hate the fuel Mavericks? The Mavericks are one of the most popular wheels on the market, and the reason why I'm bringing that up is because the truck behind me, the 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat, does have it on them, and we're going to be going over the build of the truck, the features of the Lariat, and just to see what this truck is all about. So to go ahead and get started, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is a 6-inch rough country lift kit. Rough Country was founded on the thought that they can make a cheap lift that's going to be durable and economical for most consumers. So that's our lift that allows a bigger wheel and tire package for your truck. You can fit 35-inch tires, which are these Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which the size is a 35 1250 R22. The Ridge Grappler is a hybrid tire, which is also one of the most popular tires on the market. Competing up there with some Toyos and some of the Falcons and whatever other tires like that as well. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Maverick, which I did say, so if you hate it, don't be leaving too many mean comments at this time. The offset is going to be a -44, giving you about a 4-inch lip on this wheel. Give you a nice deep look that is also going to push the wheel out from the wheel and tire out from the fender a decent amount. Look at that. It's going to be 2 to 3 inches out from the fender. So that's going to be the offset of the wheel. The finish on this one is gloss black and milled, which is a very popular finish, and it looks good on pretty much every truck. So that's pretty much it for the build. But now we're going to go over the features of the F-150 itself, so stick around to see what this one has to offer if you're interested in this truck. The first thing I'm going to go over is actually at the back. So this is going to be great for when you're backing out of a driveway or anything like that, and also your backup cameras. This is going to make it so much easier to back up out of a driveway, back up a trailer, anything like that, because you're going to be able to see without any problems. If you haven't used a backup camera before, you're going to be like, oh, I can back up fine, I've done it for so long. But once you get used to having a backup camera, you're not going to want to go back, because it is literally so much easier to back up in any situation. It helps backing up when you're parallel parking, just about anything. It makes it so much easier. The last thing I want to show on the outside is going to be the bed and the tailgate. The tailgate, if you just push the button, it's going to come down nice and slow with a hydraulic. There you go. And then the last thing is going to be the bed liner. It's going to make sure that your bed's protected whenever you're loading anything that could potentially harm it. So we're going to go ahead and get onto the inside of this truck to see what features this Lariat has to offer. Because some Lariats do come with things that the other Lariats do not. So this one does come with navigation. It's going to be great on long distance vacation trips or wherever. You're also going to have Sirius XM, and you're able to connect your mobile apps to this screen as well. On today, it is 82 degrees, but very humid. The AC is going to be working really well, nice and cold, and I do have the cooled seats on my side, because what these vents don't hit, these cooled seats do. So making sure my rear end is nice and cool. It works by blowing some cool air through these these perforated holes in the seat, which makes it very nice and cool. Next part is going to be the heated seats. You all know about heated seats because it's been out for a long time and we all have enjoyed it, but your passengers in the back get to have that luxury as well. So you can see there that we have heated seats in the back, and that's just a really great feature for them because they usually don't get to have that feature. The AC doesn't even get back there most of the time, so that's just a great feature in the winter. And I'm sorry I keep saying feature. But the next one is going to be ample leg room in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and show this side, which is going to be with the seat down. You can see you have plenty of leg room. If you're tall, short, the seat isn't even moved all the way forward or anything like that, so you do have plenty of room. But if we do move this, fold the seats up, you can just see exactly how much room that we have to put toolboxes, or I don't know, a crate, a dog kennel, anything like that. Or you can even just fold up that seat as well, get a sleeping bag. They sell things like that to put in the back seats to be able to sleep in if you would need to or want to. The next one is going to be the sunroof. This one is a panoramic sunroof, so it's going to be nice and big. You're going to be able to throw the shade back and be able to get some real good natural lighting in here, so that's why it looks so good right now. But also, it's also available in the F-150s like this one, the Expeditions, Explorers. It's a very popular feature in a lot of the vehicles that Ford has to offer. Oh, look at that, there's one more feature. It's a heated steering wheel. I did not see that a little earlier, but that is not a feature that every Lariat has, and it is a good one to have during the winter. But that pretty much sums up most of the features of this F-150. So if you guys like it, check it out on our inventory at Krietz.com. The stock number is going to be in the description above. And if you want to build your truck like this, send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs, and we can't wait to get you started on your build.